Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can stargaze from the web browser with Stellarium. So here we go. This is a Stellarium web online star map. You can also install on your phone Stellarium mobile star map apps on Google Play. But here we go. This is Stellarium web online star map. Stellarium web is planetarium running in your web browser. It shows a realistic star map just like what you see with the naked eye. Let's start by click this link, and here we go. So this is planet snake. So what is this? So planet visibility here, night from January 31st to February 1st. So rise and set. This is the hour, like a schedule here, and here we go. So you can click this in order to see the constellations, and this is the constellation art. So beautiful, right? Atmosphere, landscape. So you can turn off the landscape. This azimuthal grid here, and this is the equatorial grid. So you can turn off deep sky object. So here we go. You can zoom in and zoom out. So let's start to zoom in. This is what is constellation? This is the Cancer. Wow, this is night mode. Okay, and this is the full screen mode. So feel free to try to access planetarium. Use the Stellarium web browser. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.